Do you love eating dry fruits? Dry fruits have the capability of healing various minor and major health conditions if eaten regularly. Hello everyone, welcome to Smartlyedu in Amazing Facts. In this video we will see how dry fruits and nuts have miraculous benefits. Dry fruits and nuts have amazing infinite health benefits. They have the ability to prevent and control cholesterol, diabetics, high blood pressure, stress, heart diseases, skin diseases, digestive problems, etc. Ayurveda recommends that the best time to eat dry fruits is early in the morning. Eating these fruits as a snack before breakfast can detoxify the body and provide energy for the day. How to eat dry fruits? Dry fruits are a wonderful addition to your seasonal diet because they not only give a natural source of energy, but also a wealth of vital elements. It is not that eating these dry fruits and nuts for a day or a week will make us healthy, but to get the full benefit of it, we have to include them in our daily life. Although, you can have these dry fruits and nuts in any way you want, but only eating them in a correct way can give you health benefits. Raisins. Raisins are the good source of potassium, iron, calcium and boron, protein, fiber, antioxidants, and antimicrobial compounds. According to Ayurveda, it will be a healthy way if we soak 10 to 12 raisins in cold water at night and eat empty stomach in the morning. It may be helpful in losing weight because they are fat and cholesterol-free. Munakka or draksha. Munakka look same as raisins but bigger in size. And are also made from grapes, but they are prepared by a specific variety of grapes called Anab-e-Shahi, which contains seeds. Munakka is very good for the digestive health and constipation due to its laxative properties. Having 5 to 6 Munakka every day with warm milk gives you many health benefits. It helps in increasing vision, bone density, refreshing skin, prevent cancer, and controls acidity, etc. Khajoor or dates. Khajoor, which are also known as dates in English, have been eaten for centuries and are very beneficial for the human body. This miraculous dry fruit is a powerhouse of nutrients. Khajoor are so nutritious that eating few will not make you feel hungry all the day. That is why during Ramadan people consume it. If you are willing to eat them every day, then I would suggest to have 2 to 3 khajoor with warm milk. They are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids. Other than that, khajoor are high in minerals and vitamins like calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, vitamin A, vitamin K, thiamine and riboflavin. Fig or Anjeer. Anjeer is a Hindi word for fig. Fig is a very beneficial dry fruit in which iron, zinc, magnesium, manganese, fiber and antioxidants are found. To get full advantage, soak 2 figs in the half cup of water for overnight and eat them empty stomach in the morning. It can also be eaten along with other dry fruits or can be added to the shakes, oats and cereal. In this video, we have seen how to eat dry fruits. In the next video, let us see how to eat nuts.